Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, amma ba'd. Brothers and sisters in Islam, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Masjid Al-Farooq's Phase 2 construction area. Currently I'm standing on level 1 underground, which this section is a parking area. You can actually see the car ramps behind me coming down and going down further. On my right over here, this opening is actually the opening into the Ghusl room, the new Ghusl room. And as you can see, it will be very convenient and easy. The Mayyit can actually be brought down here and be brought directly into the Ghusl room through this door. Inside the Ghusl room, I'll just show you around. I have a pylon here just to mark the corner of the room. So the room is basically all this area. In the original design, it was 200 square feet, but we've increased it to 350 square feet, which is a good size. You can see one wall on this side is completed. This wall is completed here. The ceiling is completed as well, which is actually the floor, the main floor above us. So brothers and sisters, a very important point here is that there is no Ghusl facility in this central area of Mississauga. If we need a ghusl facility, we have to go to one far corner of Mississauga, or there's another choice to go to another opposite far corner of Mississauga. So that means, inshallah, that this will be the first ghusl facility in our area, which is central Mississauga. And because of that, inshallah, it will be in demand, it will be well utilized, it will be very convenient for our brothers and sisters in this area and throughout Mississauga. So brothers and sisters, that means this is an excellent opportunity for a very good sadaqatun jariyah, because this is about taking care of our brothers and sisters after they pass away. So especially in this Ramadan, in this month of Ramadan, it is an opportunity to complete the fundraising for this facility, very much needed facility. We've raised some funds, we have to finish it. We've actually raised $44,000, alhamdulillah. We need 125,000. Inshallah, we'll get there with your support. So brothers and sisters, you can donate $25, $50, $100, $300, $1,000, even $1, whatever the amount you want to donate. Inshallah, it would be a sadaqatun jariyah for you and your family. So brothers and sisters, you can sponsor for yourself, as I said a number of times. Also, you can sponsor on behalf of others. For example, your spouse, your parents, your children, your brothers, your sisters, relatives, anyone you want. And inshallah, you will get the ajr, of course, because you're making the contribution, the donation, the sponsorship. But because you're doing it on behalf of someone else, inshallah, they will get the ajr as well. So what this means is, with this niyyah, you will double the ajr of this one donation. Alhamdulillah, this is the generosity of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, especially in this month of Ramadan. Brothers and sisters, if you want to donate, of course you can come to the masjid, or very conveniently, you can go to our website, masjidfarooq.com. Near the top, there is a button, it says Donate Ghusl. When you click that, it will show you how much we've collected so far, how much remains. It'll give you instructions on how to donate online, and after the donation, you will get your income tax receipt immediately. So please, brothers and sisters, in this blessed month of Ramadan, let us finish the fundraising for this Ghusl facility. As I said, is an amazing opportunity. And jazakumullahu khairan for all your support to get us to this stage. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward each and every one of you with sadaqatun jariyah for you and your family. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.